They will say you don't belong. They will assume you don't relate. They will underline your wrongs. They will expect you to be late. You are special. Your talent pours from your pores, your footsteps in directions that are both certainly correct and yet absolutely unsure. Those cold, lonely, dark hallways called what if, yeah, those are around. But if you don't back down, you unlock that door to warm hearts and dope situations in a room full of us called what now? You wake up, you win. You try, you win. You fail, you still win. Long as you're alive, cause if you die, what then? They will tell you you only live once, and that's true. But if you live correct and inspire him, that's 2. And she, that's 3, 4, and more. 5, strive, create your dream, that creates your team, that creates your steam, till you're hot, you know what I mean? The Arrival.